Friends, in the last video, we were making the Christmas tree. You will find the link of that video in the description and in the I button above. Now let's start. We will put the frame on the base. Now we will attach the base stick to the frame. Frame attached to the base, you can see. Now we will stick newspaper on the frame with homemade gum. The whole frame is covered, you can see. Now we will add the sticks on the top side of the frame like this. Now we will fold a stick and attach it to the top side of the frame like this. Similarly, add one more stick. Now we will fold a stick and add it to the frame like this. The big gap of the frame will be covered by using a paper stick like this. Now we will fold another paper stick like this and add it to the frame. Our frame is complete, you can see. We will cover it by sticking newspaper on it. Now we will cover the base of our Christmas tree with pink paper. Now we will stick green glazed paper on our Christmas tree. Friends, our Christmas tree is completely covered, you can see. Now we will cut pieces of green paper like this. Now we will half cut them like this. Putting them in the middle of the paper, roll them with the help of a pencil like this. And make designs like this. Stick them on our Christmas tree with homemade gum or Fevicol like this. Cut out the design and cover the entire Christmas tree. The whole Christmas tree is covered. Now we will paste thermocol balls on it like this. Now we will decorate it by sticking such a red paper strips in the bottom. Finally, we will put a star on it by making paper or use ready-made. Friends, our Christmas tree is finally ready. Friends, how did you like our video? Please tell by liking and commenting. If you like it, please share and also subscribe our channel.